Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Ttgo T-beam is probably one of the most versatile and powerful LoRa development boards available today, offering a unique combination of features that make it ideal for a wide range of projects, from long-range communication to IoT applications and beyond. Its compact size, integrated GPS, and LoRa radio make it a go-to choice for makers and developers looking to push the boundaries of wireless technology and create innovative solutions. Number 5. BEBANG Compound Microscope 100x 2000x. Discover a universe unseen by the naked eye. This powerful microscope brings the wonders of life into sharp focus for all ages. With magnifications ranging from 100x to 2000x, you can observe everything from tiny cells to larger biological specimens with incredible detail. Achieve crystal clear images every time. Its robust design and dual focusing knobs allow for precise adjustments, ensuring sharp and detailed views. The dual LED lighting system provides optimal brightness for both top and bottom illumination. This ensures high-resolution, color-corrected images, revealing true colors. This comprehensive kit includes a phone adapter, essential tools, and prepared slides. It's ready for any biological observation right out of the box. Perfect for students, hobbyists, and budding scientists, it's designed to ignite curiosity and facilitate learning in schools, labs, or at home. What we like. This microscope offers an incredible range of magnification, perfect for detailed observation. Its dual illumination system ensures clear, bright images in any condition. If you are looking for a comprehensive educational tool for students, hobbyists, or home labs, this kit provides everything you need to explore the microscopic world. What people say. The microscope works well for its purpose, providing enough clarity and magnification to make discoveries exciting. For teaching kids and sparking curiosity, it's an excellent choice. It comes with 12 pre-made slides. Some of the ones it comes with are a sample of a leaf, the leg of a bee, small intestine, and a Z seed. Very easy to use overall, but I'm having a little trouble with the higher zooms like 2K, but I may need more than just my one day of practice. The regular 4x, 10x, and 40x are super easy though. It comes with some neat slides. As well a kit to make your own slides. There is also a phone adapter to take pictures, which was used for the attached pictures. Number 4. LILYGO T-beam Meshtastic LoRa 32915 MHz ESP32. This board features an onboard ESP32 microcontroller, equipped with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. It also comes with ample storage, making it perfect for your daily programming needs. Experience long-distance data transmission with its built-in SX1276 LoRa chip operating at 915 MHz. This allows for low-power communication, ideal for various projects. Navigate with precision using the integrated GPS NEO 6M module. It includes a battery for the real-time clock and a mini ceramic antenna for reliable positioning. It utilizes a 3D Wi-Fi antenna to save space, and also provides an IPX antenna base for external connections. Please note that both antennas cannot be used simultaneously. Programming is made simple with the CH9102 serial port chip. Ensure the driver is installed on your computer before connecting for a seamless experience. What we like. This development board is designed for long-distance, low-power communication thanks to its LoRa chip. With integrated GPS, it's ideal for tracking and remote data transmission. If you are building projects that require reliable communication over extended ranges and need location data, this board is an excellent choice. What people say. The LoRa T-beam V1 is an impressive device for long-range communication projects. I use it in my mesh network, and it consistently delivers stable, reliable performance even over extended distances. The built-in GPS is a major advantage for location tracking, and the onboard OLED display makes quick status checks easy. The unit feels solid and well-built, striking a great balance between portability and durability. Battery life is strong, especially with a quality 18650 cell, and the integrated battery socket makes setup hassle-free. Worked out of the box, easy to program and has solid constant signal with no losses. I used a bigger antenna and have no problem meshing with others. Number 3. 915 MHz ESP32 LoRa OLED Dev Board V3, Pack of 2. Introducing our new 915 MHz ESP32 LoRa OLED development board V3. It's designed for Arduino and Meshtastic projects, offering robust LoRaWAN and IoT capabilities. This board comes unassembled and requires soldering, but it's designed for straightforward setup. Please note that a LiBAD is not included. To utilize its full potential, you'll need to use two boards together. One acts as the transmitter, and the other as the receiver for your communication needs. The 0.96-inch OLED display is conveniently mounted with screws, allowing for easy removal if needed. Handle with care to prevent any damage. In this pack, you'll receive two 915 MHz LoRa OLED boards, V3, and two matching 915 MHz LoRa antennas. The included 915 MHz LoRa antenna is on the larger side. If you plan to use the board with a case, you might consider purchasing a smaller antenna separately. What we like. This pack provides two development boards, designed to work together for sending and receiving data. Soldering is required, offering a hands-on experience for DIY enthusiasts. If you are looking for a flexible solution for Meshtastic or LoRaWAN projects and don't mind a bit of assembly, this dual pack is a cost-effective option. What people say. The boards I received worked when powered up and communicated with each other, sending packets and connecting. Does most everything very well. Built a simple LoRa-based sensor system. Detects door motion, temperature, humidity, relays the data through a complex building which Wi-Fi only work less than 10 meters. Very happy with power control, low power and libraries in support of most everything. Purchased these to play around with Meshtastic and they work well. Meshtastic Flasher is a breeze once you get the device communicating with your PC. In my case I had to install C-Lab's Universal Windows Driver software, which is mentioned on the Meshtastic website under their flashing instructions. Also note these appear to be the slightly newer version 2.1 boards, noted on Meshtastic's website, so make sure to select that when flashing software. No battery is included, but you can operate them from a USB power supply without a battery. Have not played with them much more than sending messages to a couple phones in the house yet, but they seem to communicate and link via Bluetooth just fine. Number 2. LILYGO T-BeamSUPREME Meshtastic 915 MHz ESP32 S3 LoRa GPS. Meet the T-BeamSUPREME, a powerful development board designed for Meshtastic communication. It features the ESP32 S3 microcontroller for robust performance. This device integrates LoRa SX1262 for long-range communication and includes a GPS module for location tracking. Choose between U-Blox Max M10S00B or L76K for your GPS needs. It comes with Meshtastic firmware pre-installed, so you can start using it right out of the box. The dual-core LX7 microprocessor ensures smooth operation. A 1.3-inch SH1106 OLED display is included, providing clear visual feedback. This makes it easy to monitor its status and information. With built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it offers versatile connectivity options. You can find more details and support on our GitHub page. We are here to help with any questions or suggestions you may have. Your input is valuable to us as we continue to improve our products. What we like. Featuring a powerful ESP32 S3 MCU and the advanced SX1262 LoRa chip, this board offers enhanced performance for your projects. With an optional high-precision GPS module, it's perfect for sophisticated tracking and communication applications. If you need cutting-edge features and robust performance for advanced IoT projects, this is the board for you. What people say. The real-time clock is something that's missing from most similar devices, and it's quite important for security purposes, and not being dependent on GPS for time. This has an SD card reader, which is required for my firmware, storing encrypted packets, public keys, etc. This unit is easy to configure and having the GPS built-in makes it easier to configure that other units that have add-on GPS modules if you want that capability. Number 1. LILYGO LoRa Ttgo T-beam ESP32 SoftRF Development Board. Introducing the LILYGO LoRa Ttgo T-beam, a powerful ESP32 SoftRF development board. This version comes without a pre-soldered OLED screen, offering flexibility for your projects. Equipped with a built-in SX1276 LoRa chip, it enables long-distance data transmission with minimal power consumption. This makes it ideal for applications requiring extended range. It features an onboard ESP32 MCU with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth low energy capabilities. With 4 MB flash and 8 MB PSRAM, it's ready for your daily programming needs. This board utilizes a 3D Wi-Fi antenna to conserve space, and also includes a reserved IPX antenna base for external antenna use. Please note that onboard and external antennas cannot be used simultaneously. The CH9102 serial port chip simplifies daily programming tasks. Ensure you have the necessary drivers installed on your computer before connecting. What we like. This version of the development board offers the core functionality of ESP32 with Wi-Fi and BLE, combined with long-range LoRa communication. The absence of a soldered OLED provides flexibility in your build. If you are a developer who prefers to choose and integrate their own display or needs a versatile board for various IoT applications, this is a great starting point. What people say. This worked perfectly for using in a Meshtastic network. Just assemble, attach the antenna, flash the software to the latest Meshtastic and off you go. This board worked out of the box. I was surprised that it came preloaded with firmware appropriate for use in gliders. I used these for a tracker project that I built. After soldering the display, I was able to upload custom firmware with a freely downloadable tool via the board's USB port. The display was very handy for confirming the firmware was operating afterwards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.